All right, another great week here in the Live Good world of online biz. All right, I'm going to crack open a nice cold drink. We're going on the noon hour here in Salt Lake City. First of all, thanks for watching my videos. And if you're not in Live Good, why not? Okay, if you're watching my video, you can see I've got about 2, 3, almost 4,000 videos that I've made, just like you're watching now, where I just raise my glass and say, hello, how you guys doing? And I just talk a little bit about Live Good, and then I invite you guys to click a link and watch a little video. And I'm going to show you in just a couple minute video here how easy it is to promote Live Good. And by doing what I'm going to show you, I've signed up over 400 people this way. Okay. First, I invite people to joincory.com. I made this business card at Vistaprint. I bought joincory.com at GoDaddy. And then for free, GoDaddy simply just forwards to this page. Watch this video. It's 5 minutes and 55 seconds, hosted by our CEO, Ben Galinsky. Okay. He talks about products, wholesale retail, how much it is, what's the comp plan. All right. Everything is done in 5 minutes and 55 seconds. You don't have to do a video. You don't have to pick up the phone, be a teacher, a trainer. You don't have to be a guru. Just get good at inviting people to something. And in my case, it's right there on your screen, joincory.com. So let's repeat. Click joincory.com. Go to this page, watch the video, put your name and email address in, hit that orange button. You're going to get more information about Live Good over a 30-day period. Just one email a day if you want. You can opt out. Or just open up your Live Good email. And yeah, you can join from there. Get your username, password, buy some products. Okay, we ship worldwide. We're in over 200 countries. We have 1.8 million members and affiliates. All right, I'm number 28 on the leaderboard out of almost 2 million people. Okay, I want you to copy what I do. I don't want you to veer off and think you have to have 5 months of training before you make $5. You can learn and earn and earn and learn, however you want to say it. One has an L in front of it, the other one doesn't. But you guys can definitely earn now. You can earn today. Do you have $49.95? You have $50? Let's get you going. Okay. All right. Joincory.com. Guys, thanks for the last couple minutes of your life. Okay. Go to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to it. I do an insane amount of videos about this old Live Good thing. Okay. If I can help you, I will. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Find me on Facebook. You can inbox me there as well. But anyway, if you don't mind, can I just show you my card one more time so you remember that you need to click joincory.com. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks again. And hopefully I'll see you on the inside. Okay, we'll have a little drink, maybe a snack, and let's earn some money together too. Okay, guys. See you soon. Bye.